champ. You are welcome to Kiddy's World.
Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning Time. Today we are talking about food. But wait, not all food is the same. Some foods help us grow strong, and some foods we should only eat a little. Let's learn about healthy foods versus junk foods. These are healthy foods. Healthy foods help us grow strong, stay active, keep our bodies happy. Examples: apples, carrots, rice, eggs, milk. Can you name a healthy food? Awesome. These are junk foods. They taste yummy, but too much is not good for our body. They can make us feel tired, get sick, hurt our teeth. Examples: chips, candy, soda, cake. Do you like junk food? It's okay, but only a little. Healthy foods equals strong body. Junk foods equals only sometimes. Eat more healthy foods to run faster, play longer, feel great. Let's choose the right food. Apple or candy? Apple. Milk or soda? Milk. Great job. You're making healthy choices. Remember, healthy foods equals eat more. Junk foods equals eat less. You did an amazing job today.
Like, share, subscribe.